Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add a scrollable design using Canva Quick Actions. Now, one thing to keep in mind is we need to use a document to do this. So you can either click on Doc or you can just click on Create and then choose Docs. And let's just go with a blank one. So let's click on Doc over here. Alright, so now you'll immediately see the plus icon here, which is the quick actions button. And here you'll see scrollable design and then add scrollable design. And now we just need to either create our own. But for this, I'll just use a template. It's going to be much easier. So this one will be our first slide. And then we can add a page at the bottom here. Go back to our design and let's add another page. You can actually just click on the plus icon on these. I'm not sure why I went to add a page every time. Anyhow, once you have all your pages set up, you are actually pretty much good to go. But in case you want to do some editing, you can just click on animate on the top here, and you can see this is the scrollable design here by general. If you click on that, there are some adjustments you can make, as well as just being able to completely change up the design. And if you're happy there, you can also adjust timing. And once you're done, all you need to do is hit save, and now you'll see when we scroll on this, everything pops up as we scroll. And that's it, guys. That's how you create a scrollable design in Canva. That's it. Your sound has now been successfully added and can be found under my favorites arrow my sounds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.